And a Harris County criminal court judge could be criminally charged herself after being accused of taking unprecedented measures to get a convicted mass murderer on death row and MRI without the state's knowledge.
Fox 26's Randy Wallace joining us live from the courthouse with the latest in his ongoing series.
Yeah, Ross, 351st Judge Nada Cornelio doesn't have to worry about what voters think of her bending over backwards for one of Houston's most notorious mass murderers. She's on the ballot, but she's running unopposed. She's going to be a judge for the next 4 years, and voters can't stop it. In its motion to recuse Judge Nada Cornelio in the case of death row inmate Ronald Haskell, prosecutors claim she didn't want anyone, not even the state, to know what she was doing. In 2014, Haskell killed his ex-sister-in-law, her husband, and 4 children.
Entire family wiped out. I mean, methodically, he's putting people down one by one by one. And by some sort of miracle, a 15-year-old girl managed to survive.
And she was the one who alerted the DA's office after Victim Services told her Haskell had been moved from the Polunsky unit in Huntsville to the Harris County Jail on a bench warrant signed by Judge Cornelio.
Purportedly for a court setting to occur on July 22nd at midnight.
Did that ever happen? Was there a court hearing?
There was never any court setting in this case during the 3 weeks that Ronald Haskell was in the Harris County Jail.
What Judge Cornelio wanted, according to court filings, was to get Haskell an MRI. Cornelio, who opposes the death penalty, apparently told the DA's office years ago, before becoming a judge, she thought Haskell was, quote, sick. These are pictures of Haskell unshackled, surrounded by other patients in a waiting room at a Texas Medical Center MRI facility. Nobody around him knew that there's a death row inmate right next to him.
Look, I agree with you. I think it is galling to look at those photographs of Ron Haskell being paraded through a private MRI facility.
Anytime a death row inmate is brought back to Harris County, all parties are told.
According to court filings, the only people who knew Haskell was in the Harris County Jail for 3 weeks was Judge Cornelio and Haskell's appellate attorney.
Even his attorney told him not to say anything. No one was supposed to know that he was here.
That this whole thing was supposed to be a secret. The state was not supposed to know. And he, in fact, was concerned for his own safety because apparently this was so cloak and dagger, he almost got put in general population.
While Haskell has the right to bring up mental illness in his appeal, the judge's alleged actions are over the top.
Judge Cornelio has her thumb on the scale in a favorable manner to him.
Judge Cornelio could be charged with tampering with a government record. The bench warrant was for a court hearing that never happened. The hearing for the motion to recuse will be held a week from today. Reporting live from the courthouse, Randy Wallace, Fox 26 News.